decided to use this scrap wood from the deck project. This is the old decking. We flipped it over. The bottom side's not too bad. We're making a axe target for the backyard. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Keep going there, brother. Alright, so basically we just took our scrap wood, cut them into, most of them, the number you want to be looking for is 49.5 inches. Cut 18 pieces, 9 on each side, and that basically makes a square at 5.5 inches for 6x6, or 2x6 lumber, which is really 5.5 inches. And it's old, so some of them were short because we just used what we had. But that basically makes a square, so it's double-sided, so you'll be able to flip it over when one side gets roached out real bad. You can just flip it over. So we're going to put like 2 4x4s in the ground posts and maybe a couple angle brackets, and that'll be it. Alright, yeah, pot it down a little bit. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Alright, so let's level it and we'll go from there. Good job. Alright, so Gavin, that's our template, so use that marker. So we had made this template for our shop targets. So that marker's a little bit dull, Gavin, but see what you can do with it. This is WATL standard. That one's going to get covered up with paint anyways, Gav. Alright, that looks pretty good. The marker's kind of dying on us, but that's pretty good, Gav. We can always do it again later. Boom. Nice job, Gavin. Oof. Alright, where's the axe?
I want to throw the first one.
You want to throw the first one?
I want to throw the first one.
Alright, here he goes. Go, Gavin. The first axe throw of the day. Let's see what he can do. Loser! Did it rotate right? It's really dark out, so it's this grainy it's kind of grainy. Walk out 12 feet. There he goes. Sorry for the grainy footage. It's almost dark out.
Dang.
Look at that, Gav. Boosh. All right, we got something to do here while we're COVID quarantined.
Yep.
Good job, buddy. Woo!
Axe throwing.
Axe throwing at the shack. Alright, the guys just helped me threw some stain on it. We're gonna redo the lines because I ended up pressure washing it. This was recycled wood. So we'll put some new lines on it and we'll throw some axes. Alright, Mac has decided to add some flowers to the arrangement here. And I printed out these little stencils. The shack axe. I'm gonna put that right along there. With some little some purple paint. Alright, well that was probably a lot of pre-planning for a little bit of that, but that's cool. So now we'll just do the new lines and the target. We'll be done. The shack axe. I call my place the shack, so that's where that joke comes from. Alright, so now that we've stained it and we've used it for a couple weeks, Gavin's gonna redo the lines. So we're using the Sharpie Magnum. Quite holding it flat there, but yeah. All right, there it is, Gav. Looks good. The shack axe. I think we might get the drone out and try to get some drone shots of Gavin throwing. Go ahead and throw one, Gav. There you go. Boosh. Quarantine times calls for drastic measures. So I just inlaid a couple of bricks, 3 bricks for our 12-foot line. And generally most people can throw from here. And some people, you gotta step forward, or it depends on the axe too. Alright, peace out, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're going to be hanging out here throwing axes, going for bow rides, and trying not to get the coves, the Ronas. Be safe, everybody.